Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I am going to show you how easy it is to make a wreath. Now, this isn't a traditional wreath that's like with the greenery. I'm actually using ribbon. So the first step is to purchase this. I got this at the dollar store. It's $1. And then I got different ribbons, and I got these at Hobby Lobby. So you can pick whatever patterns you like. They have several. They're all half off right now. And what you're going to do is, depending on how full you want your wreath to look, you are going, for the long ones, you're going to roll it out, kind of fold it in, take some scissors, and cut it like this. And then you're going to cut it again in half. And then if you want to mix it, you have some pre-cut. You'll need about 54 little squares. So you just kind of do like this, put them together, 3 together, and kind of pinch it. Then you'll take pipe cleaners and you will just kind of sporadically cinch them in onto your wreath. Simple knot. Like this. Now, you'll go through and do this all the way around until you have a full look and see what you like. And then you can either, depending on how full you make these, you can tuck these to the back and double knot them and nobody will see them on the inside, or you can just cut them. You want to make sure you have the flat side hanging on your door this way, so that way the wind doesn't flip it up. But the materials that you need, again, are just this wire wreath, some pipe cleaners, scissors, and some ribbon. Now, what else you can do for your centerpiece is you can purchase these. They have them at the dollar store. So once your wreath is totally full, you can adhere them this way with the pipe cleaner. And they have all different ones. So that's it. And it's super simple. And like once you're done, here are some examples that we have pre-made. Again, I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it's just a sign that says joy on it. And this is from doing this. Once you get 54, it looks full. And then here's a different one without anything on the center. It just has a bow at the bottom, and you can hang this over your door, and it's a different kind of wreath that you make. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone's living just fancier.